A few weeks ago, I finally got the courage to push myself to do a travel vlog. I decided to use my smartphone as it is the only video recording device that I have. A smartphone is very handy and won't occupy so much space when traveling. For me, it was the best feature if you do a travel vlog on a budget and want to travel light. But the problem is, its footage is shaky when you just use your hands to hold your smartphone, and it is hard to take a photo or video when you are filming alone. I know that I had to fix this by somehow attaching a tripod, a microphone, and a LED light onto the phone. After doing some research on the internet, I finally found something which looked like it could work. In order to attach the smartphone to the tripod, I had to get a smartphone clamp, which I forgot to order because I thought it was already in a bundle. So when the package arrived the day before our flight to Cebu, I just realized I should order the phone clamp separately. So I tried different alternative solutions like using the ordinary phone clamp, the one without a cold shoe on it. Yes, I can still use my phone for vlogging, but I can't put my mic and LED light. Next, I tried to use the Ulanzi video rig. This setup is perfectly fine since I can put my mic and LED light on it, but the video rig is so big. I can't even put it in my pocket or even in my sling bag. I guess I don't have any option but to buy the smartphone clamp. I searched on Facebook Marketplace and luckily I was able to find a seller for the phone clamp that I was looking for. When I received it, I figured it how to mount the phone clamp to the mini tripod, which was super easy. I just simply mount the phone clamp to the Ulanzi MT-08 mini tripod. So this is how it looks like. The mini tripod is sturdy and the phone clamp is easy to adjust. It feels like that I'm a real vlogger. This mini tripod can be used for a universal smartphone clamp or vlog camera with 1/4 screw hole. And the size is from 5.9 to 10.6 inches length, and it is adjustable, super lightweight, and it is very perfect to take for travel quick vlog. Next is to mount the phone to the phone clamp, and then mount the Ulanzi LED video light. This LED light have a hot shoe mount and 1/4 thread on the bottom. It can be mounted on camera or light stand, and the size is 8 cm, which is super cute. Last but not the least, I mounted the Boyabay MM1 to improve the sound quality of the videos compared to the built-in mic on my phone. Then connect the 3.5mm TRRS audio output cable. Also, don't forget the mini Bluetooth remote control. This is very helpful if you are traveling alone and want to take photos and videos by yourself without asking strangers to do it for you. And here you are, my new smartphone vlog setup. After the amazing day of testing my new smartphone vlog setup, there is one question to answer. Is this the perfect smartphone vlog setup? I've used this setup during our 8 days vacation in Cebu, and I used this setup for my vlogs and for my recordings. And I would say that this is the perfect smartphone vlog setup for beginners if you want to get a good quality video in a low budget. Even though you look weird when doing a vlog in the public, but who cares, right? Being able to put all the accessories on my bag, assemble and disassemble in a minute, and then record a video like a pro is so amazing. Yes, I really think that this is the perfect smartphone vlog setup to get started with vlogging. if you want to get a solid quality video with your smartphone. By the way, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get update every time that I have a new video. And on my next video, this one, I will share to you how travel changed my life. Make sure to watch this video and I will see you there. Bye for now.